Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a power hour cleaning. I got 1 hour and I'm gonna see if I can get certain things done. I have my list here. So this is my list of everything that I am going to be doing. They are going to be in no particular order. I just listed down everything that I wanted to get done within the hour. So you might see me bounce back and forth. This will definitely not be done in order. So let's go ahead and get started. So it is 12 o'clock right now. Sorry, it's 12:30. So I have 1 hour to tackle my list here. So I'm gonna get started and not waste any more time.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
So the furniture in our bedroom, no matter how I keep up with them, they tend to be so dusty and it shows a lot because they're dark, and also my kids' fingerprints shows up on them. I can always see where Logan has touched trying to get in my drawers. But yeah, I try to keep up with them, but it's just so hard. I just go in with a Lysol cleaner just to be sure that I'm also cleaning off the fingerprints and dusting at the same time.
That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
So I had folded some laundry the night before, and I've mentioned this in previous videos where if I fold the laundry in the night, I just stack them up nicely in the laundry baskets, and then in the morning I will go to everyone's room and just put it away. I find this system works really good for me. I mean, if the kids are awake or they're not here, I obviously just go ahead and put the laundry away at this as soon as I fold it. But on this day I had to put it away when Ethan was in school, and then I had to wait for Logan to wake up from his nap, and then I went in his room and I put his laundry away. I was trying to check off things as I went along, and I got them done, but I only got to vacuum our room, and then something jammed in the vacuum, so my husband had to take a look at it. That's why I didn't film the rest of it, but I did end up finishing up everything, and then I moved on into the kitchen to put away the dishes and load the dishwasher, and also hand wash the ones that I usually hand wash. Loving doing power hours in my home, although I don't film all of them, but I also do them on the days that I don't film, just so that I can motivate myself to get things done in a quick manner in my home. They also are a good idea when you have guests coming and you don't have time to really deep clean your home, but you also want it to look presentable, and you want to get things done. Make a list and then follow it. Time yourself. 1 hour seems little, but sometimes you will be amazed at how much you can really accomplish.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know.
Cleaning the entry was a definite must on my list. We have been collecting so many pairs of shoes and boots, and I was tripping on the shoes as I came in, so I wanted to organize it and put away the shoes that we were not using. We're still walking in boots. My kids are anyway. We still have quite a bit of snow, so hopefully it's gonna melt soon. I'm looking forward to that. Am I the only one looking forward to spring and the sun and some warm weather? Anyway, that was a side note, but after I put away the shoes, I went ahead and I swept the floor, and also I had to mop the floors because we had water stains on there from when the snow melted off of the boots.
I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play.
So now I was moving on to the bathroom. It was the last spot on the list that I was tackling, and I was just doing a quick wipe down using the Vim All Natural spray. I used it on everything, even in the toilet bowl. That's just what I sprayed in there. And then, yeah, I washed everything with that. I did not touch the tub. Again, this was a 1 hour little adventure that I was giving myself, so I didn't have the time to really go into the deep cleaning once again, like doing the tub. So I left that. It was not dirty, so I figured I'll just leave it for next time. My next video is actually a bathroom deep cleaning, so make sure you stay tuned for that. make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the video does upload. But yeah, anyways, after I cleaned off the counters, I went ahead and I gave the toilet a quick wipe down. I have little boys, so you can imagine all the little accidents that they have in the bathroom, especially around the toilet. So I always make sure that that is one spot I really focus on and make sure I sanitize. So I must confess, I did go over the 1 hour just a little bit, not too long, just a few minutes. Sorry I didn't get to show it to you guys on my phone, but I definitely did go over, but I accomplished so much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for my bathroom deep cleaning video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's